Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu 3S and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see my day page. Now tap on More, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, then select your Venu 3S from the list of devices. On the device page, tap on the More Options icon. Come on. Okay, then tap on Remove Device and tap on Yes. The watch will disappear from the list of devices. If you see this pop up, you can close the app, open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, you should see Bluetooth option. Once you find it, tap on it. Here you should see the watch on the list of my devices. Once you see it, tap on the info icon next to it and tap on Forget this device and tap on Forget device. And then you can close the app or other settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.